see, I am choosing vision operation as an organization, right? Can you see that?
I do.
I am, is my screen visible?
It is.
So here you can see I am going to inventory vision operation and then setup and then organization and search by organization. So I am coming to that form, right? This is the our organization, and here you can see this is the HR organization enabled, and inventory organization is also enabled, and operating unit is also enabled. So in this operating unit, you can check. If I go to others and operating unit information, if I click at OK, then you can see those three combination: primary ledger as vision operation and legal entity is vision operation, right? Can you see that?
I do.
So that means in what I see in the primary ledger, this operating unit OU, it is tagged with the primary ledger, right? So primary ledger's name is vision operation, right? That is, you can check it here, vision operation, right? So now if I click on OK, now if I go to inventory org, this is my inventory org and others, and the accounting information. Here also you can see primary ledger's name, legal entity name, and operating unit name. Can you see that? So that means this inventory org is attached with operating unit, legal entity, and primary ledgers, right? So you can see in this slide, this inventory org, whatever we will create, we need to create a attach with a operating unit and attach with a primary ledger, right? And the legal entity, so that this link get configured. So now if I want to create a operating unit, let me create a operating unit. Okay. So what is the location they are taking? So I am taking the same. Okay. This is Newark. Let me take a snapshot. So first, we need to create a location. Okay. So first, what I am doing a location, and location is global. Okay. So I am using as Tata US, and it is also Tata US. Okay. And this is the address, and this is the address line. So address line I am putting as Tata US, and city is Newark and Illinois. So I have create a location and do the ship to address receiving of all are added here. Okay. And let me save it. Location description. Okay, so I have created a location. Any doubt? So how to create a location? Any doubt in this scenario? Hello?
Okay, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay. So I am fetching it here. Creation of location. Now I am going to create a operating unit. Okay. So how to do that? I am going to here and our location name is Tata USA 1. Click on new and here I am putting is as Tata US. Type as external. Location is Tata USA 1. Everything is coming here. Let me do the internal business group. We can do as property. Okay. I am saving that. So transaction is completed. And here I am attaching operating unit. Operating unit is enabled and save it. Once it gets saved, click on this and OK. If I go to this, our primary ledger is vision, right? Vision operation, right? Our legal entity is also vision. And our operating unit short name. So we can put is as data. Okay. Data. Till now, any doubt? Till now, any doubt? So operating, how to create a operating unit? Do you hope you can create now, right? Hello. So creation of operating unit is done. Next, again, we need to create the location. This is the creation of OU location, right? Now we need to create another location. We need to create another location for inventory, right? So we can create another location of inventory. Here we can create the so data inventory location. So inventory, we have created the inventory location, right? Till now, any doubt? Now we are going to create a new inventory org. So we are creating Tata inventory org. And here we need to put as inventory. We are creating an inventory. In this inventory, we need to attach, right? So we need to attach the legal in primary ledger. So our primary ledger name is Vision Operation. Our legal entity name is Vision Operation. And our operating unit name is Tata USA, right? So we have created the inventory org.